What's going on, everybody? Today I have two challengers with me. We're gonna bowl one game. I got the manager of Enterprise Park Lanes and track staff for Chris Taylor, and I got, don't know what you do, works for Brunswick.
I am the Central Region Product Specialist for Brunswick.
The biggest specialist. He came all the way down here just to give me my stealth. So, let's bowl with these stealths right here. Mine has a thumb hole.
Mine doesn't.
This is for a left-hander.
This is yours.
Okay.
Ah, this is yours.
That's close.
Alright, one game with the stealth. Winner gets nothing.
No.
Let's get it. Let's duel. Let's duel, boys. Get it. Frame one. Already feels the pressure, I can tell.
Thanks, kid.
He's curd.
Wow.
Oh, he's money. He's money.
National title. Mine.
I'm nervous. I'm scared already. You guys just start off with a double, and I have no clue how to shoot the spare either.
Team 8 bagger. Team 8
Eight
bagger.
bagger.
Yeah, so if I miss this, I'll strike out. Those are so boring. Spares are so whack.
Comes back from anyway.
What do you think of that one, Kevin?
I feel like I'm getting teamed up. So we're starting over the video right now. They don't call me the comeback kid for nothing. They don't
Who
call
calls
me.
you the comeback kid?
Give me my freaking camera. This is stupid. Weird, the right's walled. Like
Weird.
always.
Sorry.
Oh my god, hook. That was a whole lot of line.
I was laughing the whole time.
Hey. Come on, got you where I want you.
Straight. Tied.
If I know anything, it's that you're never out. It's time to play mind games, baby. Yep, I'm in his head. Oh my.
Does it matter?
Did you see that six pin just off the... Good shot, pal. You know, we did tell Chris that he'd be the one to shoot 300.
We did.
And he hasn't missed so far.
It's a tall task, man.
For a little guy.
I'm sorry. Goodness. You see that 1-3 pocket, that 1-2 pocket is like that big.
Oh, weird, is it?
Now it's going on our side.
The right
It
wall.
is.
Didn't strike.
Lefty comeback. It's coming. It might be
coming.
Kevin.
I'm the comeback kid, and I ain't call myself that.
Quick score update here. Slow start for the boy, but you're never out of it. CT perfect through 5. Mike, you know, just filling frames.
I just want to be like Kevin when I grow up. That's it.
I don't even know what that means.
Ooh. put low pressure on CT. I know the right is bald, but we'll dial it in. I did that off. Oh my God! That was sick.
One out of 7. Good ones, 1 out of 7.
Help a little. Oh boy. Ow!
The squeeze.
So you're saying there's a chance?
Squeeze was the end. I hate this spare, by the way.
Oh my God.
We're going over again.
Jeez. See, what you guys don't understand is that Kevin never beats me in this house.
Man gets behind the camera and starts telling lies. Oh my God.
Uh-oh. Oh.
I'm the only one over here with a clean game. All you
He is the only one with the clean game.
Maybe I need to be on team spare instead of team 8-bagger.
All right, I'll send you a shirt. Housebowling.com. If I'm doing my point total math correctly, you need the first strike. Anything less, and we can tie.
Okay, so spare strike forces Kevin to throw all 3 for the tie.
Pressures and tires, not me. Allen Iverson said that once. This is a big fill shot.
It is. I've never seen someone fold under pressure harder in my life. Hey dude, good game. Good game.
You still got to keep up.
Double 8. No!
Talk about folding under pressure. He never beats me, baby.
Timeout. 1, I threw it good. You missed the pocket twice in a row. Right's walled. Everyone knows it. Guys, I was trying to rig this so I could win.
The dub.
CT won. You won nothing. How do you feel?
I get a hug.
Thank you, my friend.
Never let go. Never let go.
Oh,
You're only going to beat me by 6.
I didn't throw in my spare.
Whose fault's that? Pick up every pin, kids.
CTs.
Nah, that's whack. Yo, 8-baggers. Yeah, guys, go subscribe. Because a lot of people, CT, you know, a lot of people don't hit the subscribe button.
All the time.
And they
Ninja
need to,
watchers.
They need to do that.
Got a lot of ninja watchers.
I love that. That's the coolest thing I've ever heard in my life. Guys, go subscribe. I got a new song out. It's called She Bad News. Go check that out. And we'll see you next time. I love to get in trouble and she bad news. Beautiful skin full of tattoos. She already know I'm that dude. Yeah, it's true. Ask me where I'm going, she don't ask you. I love to get in trouble and she bad news.